Hello, I'm Thinev. Today we're talking about a bird that you can find all over Sri Lanka, but it is not as common as its lookalike shikra. The Besra. The Besra, also called the Besrasperwer, is a bird of prey. A medium-sized accipiter of forested areas. The Besra is a widespread resident breeder in dense forests throughout southern Asia, ranging from the Indian subcontinent eastwards across the Southeast Asia and into East Asia. Adult greyish-brown above with a greyer head and neck, pale underparts with orange barring and blotches, and distinctive dark line in center of white throat. Coloration overall recalls crested goshawk, but the goshawk is much bulkier. This species is like a darker version of the widespread shikra with darker upperparts. Juvenile browner overall, with vertical brown streaking on the breast and belly. Their calls are like locally named Besrasperwer. I have not seen the Besra. Diving and snorkeling is one of the best activities you can do while touring Sri Lanka. Hikkaduwa and the surrounding areas is best known for many activities related to diving and snorkeling.